How to fix BRP card not scanning for eVisa. Try using an Android phone instead of an iPhone, or skip the scanning step if possible. Device compatibility. Many users report issues scanning BRP chips with iPhones. Android devices, especially Samsung models like S6 and S22, work better. Removing your phone case or using a different device may help. Skipping the scan. If scanning fails, the app may allow you to skip this step and manually verify BRP details. Restarting or reinstalling the app might also trigger alternative verification. Alternative solutions. If scanning is impossible, book a Visa Center appointment, cost supply. Also, check if your BRP chip is damaged, as a faulty card won't scan on any device. Technical tips. Ensure the BRP card doesn't overlap with your phone. Move your phone slowly towards it. Identifying your phone's NFC reader location using a contactless card can help. Final considerations. Stay updated on UK eVisa changes and ensure your details are correctly linked to your passport to prevent future issues. Check the UK government website for official guidance. That's it. Thanks for watching.